Hello everyone, this video is on one of the most beautiful feature of Google Classroom, that is assessment of assignment and quiz assignment with the help of Google Classroom. Let's get into it. Go to classwork. You can create assignment and quiz assignment in Classroom portal. So let's get into create assignment. So the title of the assignment will be write a program on chart socket server. So we have asked for a program. We have asked the students to write a program on chat socket server using any language. Let them prefer the language, and instructions you can prefer any language. Okay. And we are not going to do any attachments here, and this assignment is for this class, dummy class, and you can assign it for multiple classes as well. Okay. And this is for all the students. Only one student I have created, it's a dummy student, and points, 100 points will give, and due date we'll set it to 30th of this month, and then topic, create a topic, socket programming, and this is what I was referring to, the most beautiful part of the Google Classroom. Create a rubric, and rubrics for assessment, and you can use the rubrics either with scoring or without scoring. Slide bar is given, and the criteria for rubrics. One criteria is algorithm. Regarding the algorithm, how far the algorithm is good. If the algorithm is perfect, we'll give 3 points, and when the algorithm is good, we'll assign 2 points, and when he gets 1 point, meet me. And we can add another criterion based on the quality of code. When it is exceptionally good, again we will specify perfect. When it is perfect, we will assign 2 points, and when it is moderate, we will assign only 1 point. Okay, so 5 rubric points we have added: perfect, good, meet me for algorithm, and perfect and moderate for quality of code. So save it and assign the assignment for the students. Let's wait for it. Okay, we have assigned now. So from students point of view, log into student classroom, and he must have received the assignment. Yes, get into the assignment, and he'll notice the rubrics to be rubrics for the assessment. So 3 points for when it is perfect, when the algorithm is perfect, and 2 points when the quality of code is good. Those are the highest points on rubrics. Okay, he'll have to code, and he'll have to submit it either through link or Google Drive or local file. So my file resides here, server_Rajesh, and upload the document. We'll wait for it. Okay, now it is to be submitted. Turn in. Okay, one attachment will be submitted for program on chat socket server. Turn in. It's a document file. Okay, let's wait for it again. Okay, it's submitted, and from faculty point of view, I'll have to refresh it, I think. It's yet to be updated. One turned in. Okay, one has submitted. So this is the file he has submitted, and this is yet to be marked. Okay, let me click on the file. I'll be taken into another window, another tab, where I have a console window for the document which he has submitted, which the student has submitted. This is the program. I'll have to look into the program, and either I can grade it manually or based on the rubrics I can grade it. So in the rubrics I have algorithm and quality of code criteria. So when the algorithm is good, perfect, some marks are assigned, and when the quality of code is good, the marks gets cumulative. Okay, so when the algorithm is good and the quality of code is perfect. Okay, so I'll return it. 80 marks are assigned, return it. So done. Okay. Okay, 80 marks are assigned. So the student, he'll have to refresh. I'll have to refresh. So he has got 80 marks based on the criteria. He can check the rubrics for criteria. So this is how the assignment is evaluated based on the rubrics. Okay. And now we'll focus on the quiz assignments. So go to classwork, create quiz assignment. So the title of the assignment, so once you click on it, make sure a blank quiz Google form is created here. Title of the quiz is practice test 1, and the instructions are optional. And now I'll have to create the quiz. So I'll go for practice test 1. Let me copy this. The title is practice test 1, and it is an untitled question. Or let me type a question. Which transport layer protocol does DHCP uses? That's the question, and the answer must be UDP. Since it is connectionless, it is UDP, and we will ask for the option TCP, SMTP, and I'll go for IP. It's a multiple choice question, and the answer key we'll have to specify. The answer is UDP. For that UDP answer, we'll have to specify 1 mark. So done, and add another question. Hub component is specified for which layer of OSI reference model. So this is another question. We'll ask 2 questions. See the option 1, we'll go for data link layer. Data link layer, I'm sorry. And option 2, we must specify the correct answer, physical layer. Since it regenerates the signal, hub belongs to physical layer. Okay, only 2 options I'll give, and the answer key, it is physical layer. For physical layer, one has to score 1 point. Done. And we'll make this question mandatory, and we'll have to take the student's register number. And it's a mandatory field, and name of the student. We'll make it mandatory. Okay, So then settings, collect the email address, limit to one error response. And presentation, show progress bar, shuffle. We ask so many questions, we can shuffle the question. Save. And let me copy the link. No need, but for safer purpose, let me copy the link. So this is practice test 1. So for all the students, you can assign the same way. All the classes, to multiple classes, we can assign the same quizzes. So let me assign it for this dummy class, 100 points. So I'll add 2 points. 2 points. Due date I'll specify it, which marks 30th. And topic. Networks. Okay. No need for rubrics here. So assign. So now it is assigned for all the students. From the student point of view, go to the home page, stream page, where this is the forum. In the stream forum, every topic will be displayed. So practice test 1. Let him take the practice test. Email. Okay. And DHCP uses UDP. Register number, I'll go for random register number. The order has changed actually. We'll have to recheck it. Physical layer. Submit. So view score. So he has got 2 marks. You can check the score actually. 2 out of 2 he has got. Close it. And from faculty point of view, let me refresh the page. For practice test 1 turned in, and he has submitted it. Let me check it. So here we'll have to check the responses, edit the form, check for the response, and download the CSV file for the report. We'll find practice test 1 CSV report. So Rajesh Babu has scored 2 out of 2 in the quiz. So close it, and you can assign the marks here. 2 marks. It's saved. So this is how the quiz assignments and the assignments can be evaluated. Remember, the assignments, for the assignments we have got a good option, rubrics. Thank you. Bye.